Go, little friends, let's have some fun. It's time to learn numbers, everyone.
Are you ready? I know you are. Let's count together, we'll go far. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count together, feeling alive. 1 is here, 2 is near, 3, 4, 5, let's give a cheer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Counting numbers makes us thrive. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5 comes next, let's count some more. Look at the numbers, big and bright. Say them out loud, let's do it right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're counting numbers, feeling alive. One apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, 2. Let's count some toys and blocks and crayons too. 1 toy, 2 blocks, 3 crayons bright. Count them with me, it's pure delight. Great job, friends, you did it right. Counting objects, what a sight. Jump once, jump twice, jump 3, 4, and 5. Let's jump with glee. Clap once, clap twice, clap 3, 4, and 5. Clap with me. Stomp your feet, 1, 2, 3. Let's wiggle 5 times, counting with glee. Let's look at numbers in a row. Can you guess which one will go? Circle, square, triangle, 2. Let's count them all, me and you. 1, 2, 3, let's jump around. Numbers are fun, they're all around. We've learned our numbers, we had a blast. Give yourself a cheer, you're so fast. See you next time, don't be shy. Let's count again, bye-bye, bye-bye. We've learned our numbers, we had a blast. Give yourself a cheer, you're so fast. See you next time, don't be shy. Let's count again, bye-bye, bye-bye.